So Prabhat, first of all, tell me about yourself.
Sir, as you know, my name is Prabhat Kumar Singh. I
Okay.
am from Vaishali. I am from Vaishali district of Bihar. I
Okay.
have done my matric from BD Public School Hajipur and intermediate from Dun Public School Patna. Then
Okay.
I have completed my graduation in BSc Math Honors from Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Muzaffarpur.
Okay.
After that, I have started preparation for the government exams, and now I am pursuing LLB from Banaras Hindu University, and I am in second year now. I am interested in hot gardening and waste management.
Okay. So why you want to join IB if you are already preparing for your law?
So before taking my admissions, I have been preparing for the government exams, and I have also applied for the same post for the same vacancy.
Okay. So what was the basic intention to join IB? What did you expect from this job?
So my basic intention is that I want to be in the defense, and I have also uh, cleared 2 times the CDS exams, but I could not crack the SSB part. And so the attempts are over for the CDS and CAPF exams, and I want to go through the same motive behind the joining the IB exams, because it is also a part of the defense exams.
Okay. So what do you think? What are the recent issues with respect to IB? What are the arising issues that IB face?
So currently, IB is facing mainly 4 issues. I would like to give in the brief that first one is the Jammu Kashmir militancy issue,
Okay.
and second one, left wing extremism or Naxalism issues, and third, Northeast insurgency issue, and the most important, sir, the terrorism issues.
Okay. So what are the steps taken by the government in this respect during this period or during last 2 years?
Sir, for various issues, the government have adopted the different steps for terrorism and for the Jammu Kashmir militancy. Government has recently done surgical strikes in POK, and for the insurgency issues, government are working on this on this region, working on the development of that region, working on the on poverty, and also government has some plan like Samadhan, which helps in the in
Okay. So do you think the issue of Naxalism will end or uprooted from India?
I don't think that, sir, the problem Naxalism has totally declined, but I I think that it has very less affected areas now remaining in our country, and it has declined up to most extent. It has been declined, but some parts of country has been facing these issues. Like recently, we got news from the Manipurs where there is an attack on the Assam Rifles.
Okay. So now tell me, what IB do to ensure internal security in India? What is the role of IB with respect to security of our country?
Sir, IB is responsible for the mainly 2 tasks. First one is for gathering intelligence, so
Okay.
that we can prevent these problems, these insurgency and militancy problems. And second one is IB is the responsibility of IB is to counter intelligence, means preventing the other agencies to gather information or any secret information.
Okay. Very good. Now tell me, suppose you have visited to a police station, right? Local थाना, आप किसी लोकल थाने में विजिट करते हैं और you have to write a complaint, or you need to file an FIR against a person who is very powerful in your area, right? And police is not writing the FIR against him or her. Then what will be your step?
Sir, if the police officer has denied to write the FIR, because then I will move to the senior authority of that
Okay.
region.
Okay. Who will be the senior authority to whom you can go?
Sir, I can go to the SP of that district.
Okay.
SP under which that station come.
Okay, very good. Now, have you heard about POSCO Act?
Yes, I have heard about.
So what is it, or what is the recent judgment of Supreme Court with respect to that?
Sir, Supreme Court has cleared that if the criminal, if the person has only intention towards the act, then it will also consider and under the POXO Act, and they will consider as they had did a crime.
Okay. Do you know about what exactly it is?
No, sir, I cannot say exactly.
Okay, no problem. Now tell me, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
Sir, first one, I want to say I am a honest, disciplined, and hardworking person. And second one, I am good in decision-making ability. I can take decisions even in stressful situations or unfavorable environment.
Okay.
Third one is I have a lot of patience. I can even in stressful situation I have patience, and finally I can never cool my mind, never lose my cool, and decide very properly what I have to do. And these are some of my strengths.
What about your weaknesses?
Sir, talking about my weakness, because I am from the beginning, I am from the science background. I am weak in general awareness person, but nowadays I am working on it. I am looking. I am following the Pratyogta Darpan magazine and Hindu newspaper daily basis. And sir,
Okay, what other?
and sir, second one, I can say I am very sensitive towards the poor people and the underprivileged people.
Okay.
And yes, sir.
Okay. So have you ever traveled in India to any other place except your state?
Yes, sir. I have traveled to Rajasthan,
Okay.
and I'm currently now in Varanasi for my LLB.
Okay. So what do you think? What is the difference in culture in Rajasthan or with in your state with respect to your state?
Yes, sir. There is a difference in the culture and the lifestyle of the peoples of both places, and there is also a difference in their food habits and the change in the food style.
Okay. Tell me, what are the relation between India and China? What are the relation, or what India is doing with respect to that, or what need to be improved?
Sir, many the relations between the India and China is economical relations, and they mostly export many things like manufacturing. They have a manufacturing hub in the China, and they exports many electronic goods from the China. But there is also a boundary conflict between the both countries, and India is resolving this issue by the diplomatic manner.
Okay, very good. So, what do you think? What is the recent issue with respect to with respect to Jammu and Kashmir? What are the recent issues arising after removal of Article 370?
Sorry, sir, I could not recall that and could
Okay.
not present in my answer, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now tell me, how can you become an asset for IB?
Sir, IB an organization which needs very skillful person and very honest and dedicated persons. And I think I have some skills that I can contribute to these organizations because I am honest, as I have said you, sir. I am honest and disciplined and can adapt myself in every environment, even in a stressful situation. And I can take a decision in unfavorable situations, sir. So I can contribute my best in this organization.
Okay, very good.